channel. Welcome if you're new. Let's get right into this video. So today we are trying a Modelones Polygel Kit. I had a whole box of polygel kits from Modelones and this was one of the kits in there. So the first thing you get are the instructions. Next, I'm not really sure if this kit came with two dual forms or I accidentally put another dual form in this kit from one of the other kits. So yeah, dual forms, a 100 and 180 grit hand file, a polygel brush, base coat and top coat, slip solution, some blue glitter and some purple gems, a nail light. It looks like this. And I really love the pink color, it's so cute. And it comes with a cord as well. And this kit also comes with two different polygels. The first color is clear. And the second color is a soft pink. So here are the colors that you get in this kit, and let's just get right into this nail set. I'm going to be using this blue glitter, the clear polygel, and I'm going to be using these blue butterflies. So I wasn't really sure what I was doing for this set, so I didn't really know what nail tips I wanted to use. So at first I used my paper nail forms and it just didn't work out. So I didn't even add it in this video. But then I switched to these Makartt nail tips, so I went with these and I just used my KDS glue to glue all the tips on. And then I took my nail clippers and just cut down the nails until I just decided I was going to do some short nails on myself because I never do short nails on myself. I just kind of wanted to do short nails for some reason, so I just cut all these nail tips down. After I shipped the nail tips, I just took some base coat and painted a layer on all of the nails. I put kind of a thick coat on the thumbnail, so just make sure you put a little bit of a thin layer of base coat. And then I cured the nails with the base coat for 30 seconds in my nail lamp. And then I just took some base coat again and put a layer on the middle finger, and then I took my blue glitter and just sprinkled the glitter all over the uncured base coat. And that's how I had the glitters stick on, and then after I put all the glitters on, I cured the nail in the nail lamp for 30 seconds. I just made sure I tapped off the excess glitter and cleaned up around the sides of my nails. And I also did the same thing on the pinky nail, painted a layer of base coat and then sprinkled on the glitter. So then on the pointer finger, I painted a layer of base coat on the nail as well. And then I took my wax pencil and the blue holographic butterflies and just put the butterflies on my nail. And I did the same thing on the ring finger as well. Okay, so now all the decoration is on. Let's get into the polygel application. I took the clear polygel that comes in this kit and I just put one big layer of polygel over the entire nail. Since these nails are short, I didn't really worry about the apex too much because when you have short nails, the apex doesn't need to be perfect because the nails just have a less chance of breaking. So I just put one big layer of polygel over the entire nail and I smoothed that out and covered the whole nail, as well as pushing the polygel as close to the cuticle area as I could get it. And I had a lot of excess polygel on basically most of the nails. I always had excess polygel, but that's just because I'm used to working with extra long nails, okay? So give me a break. So I just took off the excess polygel, and you can always use that excess polygel and put it on another nail. So that's the good thing about polygel, because it doesn't dry by itself. know you can see, I know there are nubs at the end of the nail. Those tiny nubs are hard to get off because polygel is so sticky, it'll just drag all of the polygel with it, you know. So I just left those on and then I filed them off later. Yeah, I just did these nails with 1 bead. Usually I do 2 beads, but I just felt like it wasn't really necessary for these short nails. So the texture of this polygel is nice as always. You guys know I love Modelones Polygel. Their polygel is probably my favorite polygel. The texture is just always good. Like, it's not too sticky, it's not too runny, it's not stiff. It's so easy to mold, but it's like not runny, you know. Like sometimes when polygel is easy to mold, it might still be runny, but this polygel is not runny at all. It's a perfect consistency. So after I did the clear nails, I went on and encapsulated the glitter nails. So I decided to do a look like this because the kit had purple gems and blue glitter, and I didn't really know, like, it had clear polygel and pink polygel, purple gems and blue glitter. Everything was very like kind of different, like, you know, everything didn't really flow together, everything that came in the kit. So I just decided to use the clear polygel, use the blue glitter, and then use some of my blue butterflies that I had, and I think the set worked out really good. I wanted to try and use both of the colors of polygel, but I just couldn't, I don't know. At first I was thinking of maybe doing an ombre, like pink to clear, and putting the blue glitter in the clear, but that's a little weird in my head, to be honest. Like that pink color with this blue, I don't think it would have worked, to be honest. I don't think it would have worked. I'm gonna be honest, it's not really my style, like this color, especially not this length. You guys know I do not do short nails on myself. I know some of you are gonna like this set design, especially with the clear nails and the butterflies. So after I have all of the polygel applied to the nails, I'm just taking some of my extra slip solution and wiping off that tacky layer of all the nails. And then I got my Makartt dust collector and my hand file, and I'm just reshaping these nails. I clipped off those extra like pieces of polygel at the tip of the nail as well, and I just reshaped all the nails. So if you guys are interested in this kit, I definitely recommend it. I'm not sure how much this kit cost, but all the information for it will be in the description. I know it's affordable. This kit has everything you need: nail lamp, polygel, brushes, slip solution, and decoration. All the information for it will be in the description. I do have a code for Modelones. Okay, so my code for Modelones is VIC, capital Vic. It'll be on the screen right now. You can get, I think it's 15% off. I do get a small commission, just letting you know. So yeah, I do recommend it. I mean, Modelones Polygel has never failed me. Also, something else I wanted to talk about is my mom's nails. I'm doing her nails later today. So if you guys are interested in seeing me do my mom's nails, that will probably be the next video I post. I'm thinking I'm gonna post it sometime over the weekend, but I don't know. And her nails have lasted 5 weeks. I did her nails, I did that red short set on her on August 21st, and it's already September 23rd. So it's almost been 5 weeks, but it's been a whole month, and that's crazy. I didn't even know they were gonna last that long, but they did. After I'm done shaping and filing all the nails, I'm just putting top coat over all of the nails, and that was pretty much the set. I wanted to do some blue gems, but I just didn't know. I just couldn't fit them anywhere in the set, so I just kind of gave up on that idea. Next, after I cured the top coat, I'm going in with some cuticle oil from Dipped in Dusted Nails. Here are how the nails turned out. I think these nails are really cute. They're not my style, but I think they're really cute, and I know you guys are gonna like this set, so I just did this set for you guys because I know people have requested for me to do like clear nails and stuff like that. So finally I'm getting around to it. Let me know what you guys think of this set in the comments. So if you guys are interested in this Modelones kit, all the information for that will be in the description. I think that's pretty much it. This was kind of a quick little video for you guys because I actually got a lot of stuff to do. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.